Hey everyone, this is the Cuisinart Egg Central Egg Cooker. I've been on the quest for the perfect hard-boiled egg, and I think I found it. This is the rack that you put the eggs in, and it comes with this beaker that has a needle in the bottom that you can pierce the egg, and then you place it in the rack. The beaker also is your measuring cup for what you're going to do. You could do medium, soft, or hard-boiled eggs. There's also an attachment for poached eggs and omelets. There's my water going in. And this is the first time I'm trying it, and I hope it works. Let's see. Okay, so now you're gonna take the cover. The cover does not lock. It just like sits on there. So you put the cover on and you flip the switch. The light turns blue, and there it goes. After a while, you'll hear it start to steam. I'm so tired of boiling eggs, having eggs sit, having eggs off the heat, on the heat. I really need something like this. So let's see how it's gonna go. Okay, it looks like it's starting. There it is. Oh, that rack can go on top of the eggs. You just place it on if you want 10 eggs. There's your poached egg tray. And there's your omelet pan. Yeah, so this can actually do up to 10 eggs. You can put another rack on top of the eggs and add more. Okay, this is my little ice bath. I'm still gonna use that because that's gonna stop the cooking. All right, now is the moment of truth. Let's see how the eggs came out. They look pretty good. So let's take one out. And let's put it in the egg bath. It's really hot. You gotta go get something to remove it with. There you go. Alright, so we're just gonna remove the eggs, put them in the ice bath, and then we'll crack one open and see how they came out. There you go. Perfect. Alright, so my eggs are now cool. I'm gonna take one out, and I'm gonna crack it open. And hopefully the peel will just slide off. It's cracked. I'm going over the trash, so I don't want to drop anything. But there it is. It's all cracked, and here comes the eggshell. Almost in one piece. That is awesome. Oops. Perfect. Let's cut it open and see what it looks like. Isn't that beautiful? That is just great. I take eggs for my snack at work. I eat them sometimes when I want a snack in the evening. So perfect. Egg Central by Cuisinart. Oh, here's how you clean it. You take a little paper towel with some water and vinegar to remove any mineral deposits. That's it. It's done. I said it's done. Here it is. Put the cover on it, and it's ready to get put away. Highly recommend this egg cooker if you make hard-boiled eggs, or omelets, or poached eggs.